Hello everybody, it's that time of the month again. It's a mystery tackle box unboxing for December 2019. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this. And let's see, there we go. Okay, start with, we have a Ketchco sticker. Looks like it's a very nice sticker. I'll use that either on my boat or tackle box. I'll find somewhere to put it. Next we had the Dibbles. You've been challenged. We got a little Cars Club members, saves up to 30%, if you join. And then, let's see, okay, there's a little hint what we got in there. We got a Guggen Baits, drag and drop 4-inch. We'll come back to that in a minute. Then we have, what's in the box. Okay, let's start with the, let's see, we got a Guggen Squad Flat Banger, and it's $7.99. There we go. That is, let's see, Sexy Shad. And I believe, let's see, yep, it's a 3 to 6 foot diving depth. Length 2.5 inches, about a half ounce. Yeah, that's a good color. I like that. Definitely will be using that. What do y'all think? Y'all think what do you think? You like that? I know I do. I'll try it out. And that's $7.99. Next we have 10,000 Fish Saw Crawl. There we go. Infused in scent and salt. Those are good looking crawl saws. Let's see, that's Blue Crawl. There we go, 7 in the pack. I'm not going to open this. We pretty much know what crawfish smell like. It's really strong. But that's $5.99. Next we have, okay, we're going to come back to that other card. Let me come back to that other card. We're going to have the Guggen Baits Drag and Drop 4-inch. I mean, it's suggesting, use it on a spinner. Pretty much you can read that. Okay, let's go on. Get that. That's the Guggen Baits Drag and Drop. And that's Morning Dawn. There's 9 of them. That's going to be a good. Definitely would use those. What do y'all think? What about that color? I mean, leave it in your comments. I'd like to see about, what do you think about that color? They're calling it Morning Dawn. It's more like a pinkish purple combined. I don't know. Give me your, comments down below. Okay, and next we have Sweet Spot Tackle Finesse Worms at $3.99. Okay, there we go. We can see that. Oh, yeah. I believe that would be what? Green pumpkin with red flakes. I don't know. I don't really say nothing, but I mean, give me y'all's opinion. It looks like green pumpkin with red flakes in it. I mean, yeah, I'd try that this time of the year. Okay. And that is $3.99. Okay, next we have Stickies EWG hooks. They're 210. Okay. And it's a 3-pack. I mean, we all know what hooks look like. These are pretty good. I mean, they're sharp. But, okay, just, you know, leave your comments and stuff on some of the baits I got this month. And, let me know what y'all think of it. Well, that's everything I got this month. So, leave me your comments and your feedback about, you know, the colors and what I got to fish with out of this month's box. But I sure would appreciate it. And if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up and a follow. And, you know, I want to thank you.